When it comes to enhancing home security, most people immediately think of alarm systems, cameras, or strong locks. While these are certainly important, an often overlooked yet highly effective way to boost security is window replacement. For homeowners in Cayce, SC, upgrading old, outdated windows can provide a stronger line of defense against potential intruders, while also improving comfort, energy efficiency, and the overall aesthetic of a home. Let's explore how window replacement can directly improve home security. Stronger materials for better protection. One of the primary ways window replacement enhances security is through the use of stronger, more durable materials. Older windows, especially those made of single-pane glass, are often vulnerable to break-ins. A quick shove, hammer, or even a rock can break these windows with ease, granting burglars entry into your home. Modern replacement windows, however, come equipped with advanced materials like double-pane glass or laminated glass, which are much harder to break. Laminated glass, in particular, is designed to hold together even when shattered, making it far more difficult for an intruder to gain access. The extra strength of these newer materials not only makes the windows more secure but also lessens the chance of an intruder succeeding in their attempt to break in. Improved window locking mechanisms. In addition to sturdier glass, many new windows come with advanced locking systems that make forced entry much more difficult. Old, rusty, or poorly functioning locks on windows can be easy for burglars to manipulate, allowing them to break in without much effort. Replacement windows are often designed with multi-point locking systems, which secure the window in multiple locations, making it more challenging to break into. These upgraded locks can include features such as hidden latches, reinforced frames, or automatic locking mechanisms, all of which contribute to keeping unwanted visitors out of your home. With modern locking technology, homeowners in Cayce can have peace of mind knowing their windows are more secure than ever. Prevents easy access and hiding places. Older windows, especially those with worn-out frames or damaged seals, can create gaps or weaknesses around the perimeter. These gaps can provide easy access for intruders or places to hide. With window replacement, the entire unit is refreshed, ensuring that there are no weak points or spaces where someone can slip through or conceal themselves. Moreover, some replacement windows come with the option of smaller or no openings that might traditionally allow a person to crawl through or force open. By replacing old windows with secure, well-fitted units, homeowners eliminate these vulnerabilities, making their homes far less appealing to would-be burglars. Better visibility and surveillance. Window replacement can also improve your home's visibility from both the inside and outside. New windows are often designed to allow for a larger viewing area, which helps with surveillance and awareness. This can deter criminals who don't want to be seen as they approach a house. With modern, clearer glass and a more open design, homeowners in Cayce can easily monitor their surroundings, making it harder for an intruder to approach the house unnoticed. Additionally, if you have a home security system with cameras, the improved visibility ensures that cameras can capture a clear view of the exterior and any suspicious activity. Enhances overall home aesthetics and appeal. A secondary but important benefit of window replacement is the overall aesthetic enhancement of your home. A well-maintained home gives the impression that it is cared for and secure, making it less likely to be targeted by burglars. Homes with broken or outdated windows may appear neglected, signaling to criminals that no one is paying attention to the property. New, stylish windows not only elevate your home's curb appeal but also create a sense of permanence and security. Criminals are less likely to target homes that look well maintained, as they prefer homes that are easy to access and appear unmonitored. Energy efficiency adds another layer of security. Beyond security, window replacement can also improve energy efficiency in your home, which is an added benefit. New windows help maintain a stable indoor temperature by reducing drafts, keeping the elements out, and ensuring that your HVAC system works more efficiently. An energy-efficient home makes it more comfortable to live in, but it also ensures that your home's systems are operating at their best, which reduces the need for costly repairs or disruptions that could create vulnerabilities. Conclusion. For homeowners in Cayce, window replacement is an effective and practical way to enhance home security. From stronger glass and better locks to improved visibility and a more secure home environment, replacing old windows ensures that your home is protected against the elements and unwanted visitors. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to boost security while improving the look and feel of your home, window replacement is a smart investment that provides long-lasting peace of mind.